Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Angel here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm going to show you how I put together my daughter's emergency kit for school. So if you would like to see the things that I placed in her bag, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so as stated, school is getting ready to start next week. Oh my god. I'm not ready. But anyway you guys, so as you all know, I recently hauled this really cute Longchamp City mini bag. I bought it for myself as a handbag, but it didn't work out. So I decided I can just give it to my baby and she can use this as her little emergency kit for school and work. Pooh baby got a job, y'all. My baby's growing up. So let me show you guys everything that I put in her cute little emergency bag, okay? So let me take everything out. Alright you guys, so here is her bag. First of all, it's a cute little Longchamp bag. It's leather. And I think, you know, it'll work for this purpose, right? Okay, so there's no pockets or anything. It's just a big hole. So, first thing we're going to put in here are some wipes, some flushable wipes. We're going to put these right in here against the back here, okay? You know what? I'm going to move the camera so we can just look straight down, okay? One moment. Alright, as you can see, the wet wipes are still in here. So next we're going to put the sanitary napkins in. Those fit fine. Next we're going to put the Dove deodorant spray. At the bottom, this is an emergency pair of underwear and some hair ties. Slot those in the bottom. Next I have this little emergency kit. It's Q-tips, it is safety pins, it's band-aids, and then I also have this little, it carries those like flossers for your teeth, those. And before I put that in, I have some cash just in case, you know. So we're going to put that in here at the bottom. Move these safety pins. And nobody can tell that it's cash in there. So we're going to slide that in. Okay. She likes Tic Tacs or whatever, so I have these. I buy a lot of different kinds, so whichever one she grabs, so those slide in. She likes extra watermelon gum. And put that in. Tylenol for the day she feels like crap. A Tide pen in case she gets anything on her clothes. Some panty liners. Those slide right in. And a lotion. And just pop that right on in. And it all fits. And there it is. Alright you guys, so that concludes this little impromptu video, you know, of what's in the kiddos emergency kit for school this year. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.